Clara, I called you yesterday evening, but you didn't answer.
Yes, I saw your missed call. I'm sorry.
It's okay, but I really needed help with my homework.
Oh no, what were you doing?
I don't know how to say it. I'll try to explain.
Take your time.
I did my homework, and suddenly the lights went out.
Oh, there was no electricity?
Yes, and I felt a bit scared because it was very dark.
I understand. So when you called me, what was happening exactly?
That's the problem. I don't know how to explain what was happening at that moment in English.
Ah, good. This is perfect for today's lesson.
Lesson? We're having a lesson now?
Yes, today we are going to talk about how to describe something that was happening at a specific moment in the past.
Something that was happening?
Yes, we use a special form for that. It is called the past continuous.
Past continuous. I think I saw that before, but I don't understand it well.
No problem. I will explain it very simply.
Please, I really need it.
We use the past continuous to talk about an action that was in progress in the past.
In progress?
Yes, it was happening. It was not finished.
Oh, like in the middle?
Exactly, in the middle. The structure is very simple. We use was or were plus verb with ing.
Was or were plus verb ing.
Good. Let's see some examples. Example 1. I was watching TV at 8 p.m.
I was watching TV at 8 p.m.
Good. Example 2. She was cooking dinner.
She was cooking dinner.
Very good. Example 3. They were playing football.
They were playing football.
Excellent. Example 4. We were sleeping when it started to rain.
We were sleeping when it started to rain.
Perfect.
So it is was or were and then verb ing.
Yes, I was working. You were working. He was working. They were working.
Wait, I say I were working?
No, I was working.
Oh, right. I was, you were.
Good correction.
So yesterday, I was doing my homework.
Yes, that's correct.
And the lights went out while I was doing my homework.
Very good. You used it perfectly.
Wow, that feels good.
Let's practice more.
Okay.
Yesterday at 7 p.m., what were you doing?
I was eating dinner.
Good. And at 9 p.m.?
I was watching a movie.
Great. Now make a small story. Use when.
I was watching a movie when my phone rang.
Excellent.
Wait, can I say I watched a movie when my phone was ringing?
That changes the meaning. I was watching a movie when my phone rang means the movie was in progress and the phone rang suddenly.
So the long action uses past continuous.
Yes, the action in progress.
And the short action?
Usually simple past, like rang, started, came.
So yesterday I was studying when the lights went out.
Perfect.
I think I understand, but I'm not 100% sure.
That's normal. Let's practice slowly. Imagine this. It was raining. What can you say?
It was raining.
Good. Now add a second action.
It was raining when I left the house.
Very good.
Can I ask something?
Of course.
Can I use past continuous alone without when?
Yes, if you want to describe a scene.
A scene.
Yes. For example, yesterday evening I was sitting on my bed. The rain was falling. The wind was blowing.
Oh, like a picture in the past.
Exactly. You describe what was happening.
I like that.
Good. Let's do a small scene together.
Okay.
Imagine yesterday morning. It was 6 a.m. What was happening?
I was sleeping.
Good. What was your mother doing?
She was making breakfast.
Nice. What was the dog doing?
The dog was barking.
Very good. This is not too difficult.
See, you're already improving.
But sometimes I mix it with simple past.
That's normal. Remember, past continuous is for background. Simple past is for short, finished actions.
Background and short action.
Yes.
Can we do a bigger story?
Yes. Let's imagine yesterday evening again. Start from 7 p.m.
Okay. At 7 p.m., I was eating dinner.
Good. Continue.
While I was eating, my sister was talking on the phone.
Very nice. Continue.
My father was watching TV.
Excellent.
Then the lights went out.
Good. What were you doing when the lights went out?
I was eating.
Good.
My sister was talking.
Yes.
My father was watching TV.
Perfect.
Suddenly, we heard a loud noise.
Good use of simple past.
I was feeling scared.
Very good.
Wait, is it okay to say I was feeling scared?
Yes, that's fine here.
Then we were looking for candles,
Excellent.
but we couldn't find them.
Very natural.
This is actually fun.
Good. Now let's make it more interesting.
Oh no, more difficult?
Just a little. Imagine this. While you were looking for candles, someone knocked at the door.
Okay. While we were looking for candles, someone knocked at the door.
Good. What were you thinking?
I was thinking it was a ghost.
That's funny.
I was shaking.
Very expressive.
Then my father opened the door.
Good.
Ah, it was our neighbor.
Perfect.
I see how the story flows. The long actions were happening, and then short actions happened.
Exactly. That's the idea.
So remember, past continuous is for actions in progress in the past.
Yes.
And we use was or were plus verb ing.
Correct.
And often we use it with simple past for interruptions.
Very good summary.
I feel more comfortable now.
Great. Let's recap clearly before the final practice.
Okay.
We use past continuous to describe something that was happening at a specific time in the past.
Yes.
We use was or were plus verb ing.
Was for I, he, she, it. Were for you, we, they.
Perfect. We often use it for background actions.
And simple past for short actions.
Exactly.
I think I'm ready for a big story.
Good. Now you will tell me what happened last Saturday. Try to speak for a long time. Use past continuous naturally.
Okay, I will try. Last Saturday evening, I was sitting in my room. I was studying for my English test. My brother was playing music very loudly. My mother was cooking in the kitchen. The smell was very nice.
Good start. Continue.
I was trying to concentrate, but the music was bothering me.
Nice sentence.
I was trying to read my book when my friend called me.
Good use.
He said he was waiting for me at the cafe.
Very good.
I was feeling surprised because I forgot our meeting.
That's natural.
So I was putting on my jacket when my mother asked me where I was going.
Excellent structure.
I told her I was meeting my friend.
Good.
While I was walking to the cafe, it started to rain.
Perfect combination.
I was running because I didn't have an umbrella.
Very clear.
When I arrived, my friend was sitting alone. He was looking at his phone. He was drinking coffee.
Beautiful description.
I was feeling a little guilty.
Very natural.
We were talking and laughing when suddenly my phone fell on the floor.
Good.
Everyone was looking at me.
Nice detail.
I was hoping the phone was not broken.
Good emotion.
It was still working.
Lucky you.
At the end of the evening, we were walking home together. We were talking about our school memories.
That's very smooth.
I think I did it.
Yes, Jack, you did very well.
Thank you. I really feel better now.
Good, but we are not finished yet.
Not finished?
No, there are a few important things we still need to practice.
Oh, I knew it.
Don't worry, you are ready.
Okay, what is missing?
We practiced positive sentences. I was studying, they were playing.
Yes.
But what about negative sentences?
Negative, like not?
Exactly.
Oh, we didn't really practice that.
That's right, so let's fix that. To make a negative sentence, we just add not. I was not sleeping.
I was not sleeping.
They were not listening.
They were not listening.
Good. Now the short form. I wasn't sleeping.
I wasn't sleeping.
They weren't listening.
They weren't listening.
Very good.
So it's simple. Wasn't and weren't.
Yes.
Now imagine yesterday at 10 p.m. You were tired, but you couldn't sleep.
Okay.
What can you say?
I wasn't sleeping.
They weren't listening.
They weren't listening.
Very good.
So it's simple. Wasn't and weren't.
Yes. Now imagine yesterday at 10 p.m. You were tired, but you couldn't sleep.
Okay.
What can you say?
I wasn't sleeping.
Good. Why?
Because I was thinking too much.
Very natural.
Can I say I didn't sleeping?
Good mistake. No. After didn't, we use the base verb. But here we are using past continuous, so we say I wasn't sleeping.
Right. Wasn't plus verb ing.
Exactly. Now let's practice questions.
Ah, yes. Questions are difficult.
Not really. We just changed the order. Was I sleeping?
Was I sleeping?
Were they listening?
Were they listening?
Good. Now a real question. What were you doing at 8 p.m. yesterday?
I was studying.
Perfect. Was your brother studying too?
No, he wasn't studying. He was playing video games.
Excellent answer.
Wait, so the structure is was plus subject plus verb ing.
Yes. Was she working? Were they waiting?
Were they waiting?
Good repetition.
I think questions are clearer now.
Let's make it more real. Imagine I call you and I ask, what were you doing at that moment?
At that moment, I was walking home.
Good. You used a time marker.
Time marker.
Yes, words like at that moment, all evening, all night, this time yesterday.
Oh, we didn't talk about that clearly before.
Exactly. These words are very common with past continuous. Example, this time yesterday I was sitting in a cafe.
This time yesterday, I was sitting in a cafe.
Good. All evening I was studying.
All evening, I was studying.
All night the baby was crying.
All night, the baby was crying.
Perfect. So these words show duration.
Yes, they show that the action continued for some time. And while, too?
Yes, while is very common. I was listening to music while I was cleaning.
I was listening to music while I was cleaning.
Very good. So with while, both actions can be long.
Exactly. While I was studying, my sister was watching TV.
Perfect example.
I feel like everything is connecting now.
Good. But one more important point.
Oh, there's more?
Just a small thing. Some verbs are usually not used in the past continuous.
Really? Why?
Because they describe a state, not an action.
A state.
For example, know, like, love, understand.
So I can't say I was knowing the answer.
Correct. That sounds strange.
So what do I say?
I knew the answer.
I knew the answer.
Good.
Can I say I was loving the movie?
Usually we say I loved the movie.
Oh, so not every verb works.
Exactly. For actions like run, eat, study, it works well. For states like know, we use the simple past.
That's important.
Yes, but don't worry too much. You will feel it with practice.
Okay.
Now let's make a clear comparison.
Between simple past and past continuous?
Yes, listen carefully. I watched TV.
I watched TV.
I was watching TV.
I was watching TV.
What is the difference?
I watched TV is just a fact.
Good.
I was watching TV feels like I'm inside the action.
Excellent description.
Like in the middle of the movie.
Exactly. Now another example. It rained.
It rained.
It was raining.
It was raining.
Difference?
It rained is finished. It was raining shows the process.
Very good.
I think I really understand the focus now.
Good. Now let's test you with a situation. This time yesterday, there was a big storm. Tell me what was happening.
This time yesterday, the wind was blowing very hard. The rain was falling. People were running in the street.
Nice.
Some people were not carrying umbrellas.
Good negative.
Cars were moving slowly.
Excellent. Now I ask you questions. Were people laughing?
No, they weren't laughing. They were looking worried.
Was the sun shining?
No, it wasn't shining. What were you doing? I was watching the storm from my window.
Very smooth.
Wait, I have a question.
Go ahead.
If I say I watched the storm from my window, is it wrong?
Not wrong, just a different focus.
Different focus.
I watched the storm tells us what you did, finished action. I was watching the storm shows the action in progress. Maybe something happened during that time.
Ah, so if the phone rang during the storm, I say,
Yes?
I was watching the storm when the phone rang.
Perfect.
I love this. It's like building a movie scene.
Exactly.
At the beginning of this lesson, I was feeling confused again.
Yes.
I wasn't understanding everything clearly.
Good correction of yourself.
But now I understand negatives, questions, time markers, and the difference with simple past.
That's big progress.
So let me say it clearly.
I'm listening.
We use the past continuous for actions in progress in the past. We form it with was or were plus verb ing. For negatives, we say wasn't or weren't. For questions, we put was or were before the subject. We often use time expressions like while, at that moment, all evening, and this time yesterday. And we don't usually use it with state verbs like no.
That is an excellent summary.
At first, I was afraid of this tense.
I remember.
I was mixing everything.
Yes, you were.
But now, when I hear, what were you doing, I don't panic.
That's confidence.
English is not magic, it's practice.
Exactly.
This time yesterday, I was struggling.
And now?
Now I am improving, and next time I will use it naturally.
That's the goal.
Thank you for pushing me a little more.
You're welcome, Jack. Keep building your movie in the past.